Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today we're cutting a pineapple, or we're attempting to cut a pineapple. So I'm taking off the top of this pineapple. I'm gonna compost that later, and we're gonna cut off the sides, the rough edges of our pineapple first. We're just gonna follow that olive around, and it's gonna leave these little craters of rind that we cannot use. So yeah, we're just going to compost all of the skin, and I'll make a composting video after this. So I'm gonna follow the pattern of these little divots in the pineapple. And yeah, I haven't cut a pineapple in a really long time, so I'm actually gonna look up a YouTube video because I totally forgot. And there's some really good resources out there, so definitely check them out. I'll link this video too.
Now, I cut the pineapple in quarters.
And that's what we do. We're gonna cut the pineapple in quarters. So, actually, a really helpful video. So, a lot better than this one. So we're just gonna follow the scores that we've already created, and just keep on continuing until we get all of the rough parts of the rind, the circular parts. And it's supposed to be a really nice, cool design, but yeah, I'm not that good at this. But I mean, we got most of it out, and some of this pineapple was overripe, so some of it was just a little mushy. And I have to cut off this tag because it's non-compostable. Just get the last final touches, and we're gonna remove the core in the center because is very rough and very tough, and it's not edible. Yeah, but cut it however you like. If you want little chunks, or if you want big pieces, yeah, definitely cut it to what you're gonna use it for. So take the rind out. It's very tough. I'll compost that. It's very good compost. Final touches before you put it in the refrigerator and eat it. It tastes a lot better cold. Or if you're gonna blend it, doesn't really matter. So just repeat the procedure towards all of them until you get pieces that you like. Also, another fun recipes, grilled pineapple tastes really good. So, yeah, here we go. That is how to kind of cut a pineapple. Thanks for watching the video.